I'm here today and I thought I could take the slime from my most recent video and make it colored. I'm gonna just get straight into it. Open this up. Oh my gosh. Wow, its consistency has changed a lot just from sitting. I'm gonna mix it up a little bit, just make sure it's still nice and activated. Very sticky right now. So what I thought I could do was potentially make this into 2 batches, and I'm going to have 2 different colors. So for the first one, I want to make it a pink color. I'm going to use some of my magic clay and put that in to see what it does to the consistency, how it changes it. Wow, it is a bit different than when I made it. Something about sitting in the tub that changed it. So we'll see how that how it goes. Alright. I'm gonna put some shaving cream to try and balance out that bold yellow. Maybe I should just put like 1 or 2 drops, I guess. But it's okay because that's part of the fun of experimenting. So let's go ahead and get our trusty shaving cream. We'll just do that for now. Oh my gosh, this is such a good color. This is the type of yellow I was originally thinking of, so I'm glad I was able to fix that because that last yellow was not very nice. Oh, that's nice and fluffy too. I like this slime a lot. It's really sticky though. So let's see if I can fix that. work on my bubble popping skills. Yeah, alright. There we have it, our new slime. I hope you enjoyed watching me experiment and make some new colors out of our old slime. Yeah, let me know, what color would you like to see next? Are there any textures that you would like to see? I kind of want to try doing a sandy one where I put like kinetic sand or something in it. I think that would be really fun. So maybe I'll do that next time. But yeah, I don't always want to just do ASMR slime videos. So let me know if you have any other ASMR recommendations. I plan on doing a story time. But for now, slime has just been really fun. So hopefully you enjoyed. I enjoyed having fun with this a little more and getting to experiment and play around. So hopefully it's something you enjoyed as well. And yeah, thank you guys so much for all of your support, your views and comments as I get started on this YouTube journey. So yeah, it's great to have you here, and I hope you stick around to see how I grow. Yeah, well, thank you so much. I hope you have a good day, and I hope you enjoyed as we